Alright, so I'll be reacting to a video called St. Patty's Day Ceiling Fan Epic Fail from a YouTube channel called John Kittle. Once again, I'll provide a link in the description to the channel that originally created this video and the video I'm originally reacting to. So without further ado, let's go. Black screen, of course. She looks like she's having fun. She's so shit. Stop it, her. Why is she throwing stuff? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! That's a fail! Ouch! Oh wow! Is she really hurt? Wow.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, what happened? I'm confused.
She jumped in it and she hit hair off the bed.
Wow.
Why was she choking us?
Candy.
What?
Roll
That's an epic fail.
That was funny. Is it okay?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. I whacked her really hard. I didn't know she was gonna jump.
So much for the ceiling fan, though.
Why are the fans on?
You know what? When we flicked on the lights, the fan got turned on.
Wow. Well, that was funny. Very funny. Thanks for watching my latest video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, this is Cody the Dragon Samurai, signing off.